Good morning, folks. I'm Matt, and welcome back to the farm. I'm here with Biggie, and we're getting ready to do our spring cleaning chores here on the farm. We're going to run down to the feed mill, get us some food for these guys. We're going to get the barn in good shape for spring. We've got a lot to do around here. We've got some landscaping to do. We've got some general cleanup in the barn to get accomplished, just to try to get things in shape for spring. So if you like our content, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Join us as we do our spring cleanup.
Do what you want, do what you want, do it. Do what you want, do what you want, do it.
These landscaping beds need a general freshening up with some new mulch. We'll get some fresh hardwood mulch here and spruce them up. We'll be pulling out any weeds, but as you can see, my daylilies here are beginning to peek through. These daylilies will bloom all summer, adding a touch of color to the front of the barn. Inside the barn, we need to do a deep cleaning. That includes moving all the mats, stripping all the stalls, and mopping them with a disinfectant, and also mopping our concrete floors. We'll even blow dust off all the walls and the fans just to help keep it cleaner in the barn. But we're going to head to the hardware store first, and we're going to get some breakfast. Josh is joining us out here on the farm today. Josh is part of our farm team. He helps us with our farm chores, and we're really lucky to have his help, and we very much appreciate him. We begin on the stalls first by removing all the bedding materials and the hay. Then we work on vacuuming up all of the dust. Josh is a quick mover and does a great job of getting the stalls perfectly clean. Billy Joe is also helping us out this morning. She's Biggie's mom, and she's going to help us get the stalls ready for disinfecting. Even Ellie gets in on the action. We mop our stalls with a diluted disinfectant to kill any germs, remove stains, and help reduce odors caused by waste products. We'll then turn on the fans to help it dry quickly before adding brand new shavings to all of our stalls. We try to do this deep cleaning process at least a couple of times each year to help keep our animals healthy and happy. We even take out the feed bins, we empty them, and then we clean them with a mixture of Dawn detergent and bleach to be sure to kill any germs. The same treatment is applied to our water buckets too. We use our blowers to remove as much dust and debris as possible before mopping. It's not even 11 a.m. yet, and we take all of our aisle mats out and we deep clean them by pressure washing with a mixture of Dawn and a disinfectant solution. The mats actually take a lot of abuse with muddy feet and horse waste, but we like to make sure to give them a lot of attention, and then we allow them to dry in the sunshine before putting them back in the barn. We took about an hour and a half to pick up trash along the roadway and then mow portions of the lawn. Please don't litter. It's really obnoxious what we have to pick up along the roadway. But by a little after 1 p.m., we're on our way to get shavings from our bulk saving storage area to put back into the barn. It's dry now. Our stalls are looking brand new. It's clean, it smells fresh, and it's safer for our animals. But our work is not done yet. Next up, we'll be mulching our landscaping beds. Josh is doing the hard part. He's putting mulch around our iris collection. We'll be talking to you about these beauties when they start to bloom this spring. It's almost 4 p.m. now and we're beginning to wrap things up. But first, we need to use the tractor to move our used bedding holding area over to our larger compost pile near the wood line. We end up composting almost all of our bedding to make rich compost for use in our gardens. You can even see the steam rising out of the pile as the microbes start to break things down. 4 horses can create quite a bit of compost, but it's all a part of the cycle here on the farm, and we intend to reuse everything that we can. We get a lot of questions about what it's like to live on a farm, and this is just a little bit of a sample of what we do to keep our farm in good shape. We always have chores to do. Today we did a lot of deep cleaning, but we're constantly working to keep our land in good condition as well. And we couldn't do it without the help of folks like Josh who help work with us. If you have questions or you'd like to see us cover a specific topic, please leave us a comment. Thanks for watching. Seeing our horses being comfortable enough to lie down and rest is all the reward that we need. Well, as you can see, yesterday was spring cleanup, and today it's snowing, which is kind of crazy. We actually mowed the lawn yesterday, and today we're getting flurries. But that's how it is in North Carolina. Just wait 20 minutes and the weather will change. Well, we have a clean barn. We have a very happy stable full of animals. We got done yesterday a little bit late and did not get to enjoy this wonderful beer that we got here. I'm gonna crack it open today. Sable's gonna help me. I learned about this one. This is actually a local brewery here in North Carolina. Learned about it from my buddy Adam, who has another YouTube channel. I'm gonna put a tag up at the top so you can jump over to Grow in the Glass, visit them. But go out there and see them, support them, and we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna sit back and have a cold one. Thanks for watching.